Hello everyone. Hello everyone. Today we'll discuss about a software which is very important for the teachers. You see, we have a software named it as Teach Infinity 2. You can see this software is one of the best software for teachers. We'll show you how to operate with this software. Right? You can see that there are various features you can see here also. Right? If you want to add these slides, you can add also. Here you can see there are 3 or 4 important features of this software. You can see if you want to write something with your any of your colors, suppose you want to write with white colors, and you can see that with the help of pen tab you can write anything on the screen, right? Welcome to our channel. In this way you can write anything as according to your need. Welcome to our channel. In this way you can do anything according to your need, right? Or you can also, with the help of eraser, you can erase also. You can see here we can erase this one with the help of this eraser, right? Or you can write anything and you can erase it, or there are various other features in this software, right? Here you can see that you can, if you go there, right? Now you can change in a rectangle. Here you can see that there are many geometrical figures. You can draw a circle here, or you can draw anything as you like. This is a square, right? Or you can write, you can take a triangle, right? Or you can introduce anything as you like. This is a array, right? Or you can take a line segment as you wish, right? In this way you can take various geometrical figures with the help of here, right? Or you can change the color also. If you want to change in green color, it will be green. You see here, this is very important features of this software, right? Not only that, you can introduce anything, that is, it is here insert. You can insert anything as you like, right? From you want to insert something from these figures, right? From text, you want to insert text. You can write anything as you like here, right? You can insert text also, right? Not only that, you can go to your computers and you can take anything from here. You can take any document, or you can teach from here also, right? There are many pictures also. You can take any pictures from here, or as you wish. Suppose you want to take any pictures or any videos, right? Suppose you want to take this picture and open it here, it will be opened here, right? Or you can change according to your need. You can change it also. You can see here, you can change this one as you wish, right? In this way you can take any other things and you can go from here, right? And this is what we call it as undo. You can see we can undo this one, or you can redo also with the from here. You can see this is redo, right? Not only that, you can want to see that if you magnify, then it will be magnified also, right? If you want to magnify it and be small, right? Focusing or magnify, or this one, right? And you can see you can move one figure from one position to that of another. You can move all this one, you can move this one in this way. You can move from one position to that of another with the roam features, right? Here you can see that there are slides also. You can go to another slide, right? From one slide to another. And here you can see this is slide setting, and this one is what do you say, that is give lesson, and this is writing screen. Go to writing screen, and here you can write, that is in the desktop mode. You can write anything here. From here you can take the yellow color and you can write anything here, right? Or you can rub it also, or you can take the highlighter also, right? And you can got all the features from here, right? And you are going back, right? In this way you can go to the different modes here, right? Not only that, there are other features also. You go to here, that is in the settings, you can go to subjects map, you can go to file, you can go print, shortcut, settings, and help and exit. to get a subject math, if you go to subject math, there are three types of subjects here you can see. From here you can see that there are three types of subjects. You can use maths, physics and chemistry. If you go to physics, right, you can see there are various pictures or various images of physics you can get there, right. Let us see what are the different physics pictures. You see, you want this type of pictures of physics, like all these things you can get it from here. Suppose this one or this one, as you like. Here see, you have taken this one, right, or as you wish. This is the physics. This is, suppose you want to take this one, and you can take this one also, right. In this way there are different features. Now you go to chemistry portion. Now you are going to chemistry. In chemistry also you can take many other things like this. You can go to here. You see here you got this one, right, this one, right, or you can take any other things. You can see there are many images of chemistry. This is one of the images, and you see there are other images also you can take with this chemistry. And with physics portion, in maths portion, you can find out any other things. Like in maths portion you can find that maths there are any other things. You can take a circle, you can take a triangle, right, and you can take anything as you like, right. There are various other features also, and this is, you see here in maths position you can take any other thing from here. You can take a square. See, we are taking a square. We can change the color, we can rotate it, we can fill color also, and can do any other things as we like. You see, we fill color also. In this way you can change your figures or matches from images from one position to that of another, or you can do anything as you like. You can take a circle also, you can take a pentagram, hexagram, or this one, you see here, this is 1 2 3 4 5 side, regular pentagon. You can fill also from here, right. If you want to fill color, and change in color and fill it, right, in this way, right. And there are various other important features also here, right. Not only that, the most important thing is here you can see that you can playback also. Suppose you want to see what are the playback, you can see that we have written in this way. This is the playback. You see, that means what you have written you can see here from the beginning. That is, you see here, welcome to our channel, or whatever you've taken you can see in this these features. That is, this is playback. You see, you can see this is playback. That means we can see all the playback features here, right. Now we stop it, right, and came back again, right. Right, now you see these are the different features, and you see from here also you can see this is the different tools you can find from. Let us take a new slide first. After that we will go to another. Right, and you can delete this also as according to our need, right. You can delete all these things, right. Now go to these tool sections. In tool section you can find that many other things you can see. So if you want to take a compass, you see this is our compass, and you can do anything with the compass. This is the virtual compass. You can increase it and you can make a circle with this one, right. You can change it and you can make a circle with this one, right. Right, in this way you can take anything as you like from tools, right. Or you can take a set square, you can make a triangle with this one, or anything as you like, right. Or you can delete it also, right. Right, you cross it, it will be deleted, you cross it, it will be deleted, right. And if you want many other things you can see from here also, that is tools. Now you go to tools and you find that is a ruler. If you want to take a ruler, this is the ruler. Not only that, you can increase the ruler also, right, and you can draw a line according to your need, right. In this way you can draw line also. With any color you can draw line, right? Now you see, now we have go to another thing, that is you go to this one. This is what we call it as, this is the pointer, the spotlight, right? Now got it. And we get any other things like this one. This is the mask, you can see here. This is the mask. You can write a question here and write the answers here, and you can mark the answer. And whenever the students tell the answer, after that you can show the answers, correct answers, right? In this way you can mask a question, right? Here there are many others also. This one is the magnifier. You can see any magnified things here with the help of this one, right? And not only that, from tools you can get any other thing, that is this one. This one is here. These are the various features of this software. Dear friends, you can use it. This is the, you can write, this is the on-screen keyboard. You can write anything from here also, right? Or you can search from Google, right? These are the various important features, and here you can see that this is what we call it as calculator. You can calculate it here also, and you can introduce the calculator here also. Not only that, there are other features also. You can see this is what we call it as, this is insert the current slide. That means we can take a screen capture. Suppose you want to screen capture this one, the whole screen will be captured, or a first portion of it. Suppose you want to this portion only, you see this is correct, and we got this portion only. Or a freeform, we want this only, this part only. This is the freeform of the screen capture. You see, this is the freeform of the screen capture. In this way you can go to insert to current slide or insert a new slide, right? In this way you can go to slide, right? The current slides. And here, from here you can see there are also that is this one. From camera you can see the different pictures here, right? Since this computer has no camera, you cannot see here, right? Now we are putting exit, right? In this way you can change the color, right? And from toolbox you see this one, and this was a these are different other features also. And this is what we call it as a hierarchy. There is main topic, this is branch topic, this is branch topic, child topic. This way the different hierarchy you can make, or for organizations or any other things as you like, right? Now you see that there are various tools here. You can see here, from here also, and this is the playback. You can see the playback also, right? So dear friends, you see that how important this software is for teaching online, right? Dear friends, use this software, that is